Boom. Okay. Hello, everybody. Dave Vedder, DKNR Management, Precision FX again for another quick training session, video training session on higher highs, lower highs, lower lows, and higher lows. Okay. So let's take a look at what's going on this particular chart. I'm going to shrink this and let you know overall what you're seeing here. The yellow lines represent higher highs, lower lows, and unfortunately no higher lows just yet on the fours, on the four fires, four long, four short, four long, four short. Okay. The other lines, the white lines, represent the threes from this point, from this three short and from this three long. The white lines represent lower highs, higher highs, lower lows, and higher lows on the threes. So let's walk through them. I'm going to blow the chart up and I'm going to pull it over here to the left side. Let's walk through the fours. First of all, here's a four long and here's a four short and there's a four long. What represents the point of origin to determine a lower high or a higher high on a four short is the highest point that the pricing achieved between the last four long and this four long. The four short fired in here. So we want to look at the pricing between this point and this point and look for the highest price point, which is right back here on this candle. Okay, so that's why this point is considered the point that we can look for our lower high or higher high on this four short. Then we go over to the next four short and we go from this four long to this four long, and we look for the highest point between this four long and this four long to determine the point of this four short. That happens to be right here. So if we draw a line from this point to this point, we know that this four short is a lower fire than this four short. So this is a lower high. Consequently, down here, we see the four long. What we want to do on this four long is we want to go from this four short, which is way over here, to this four short right here, right there. And where this four fires, when the next four short fires, we want to find the lowest point from this four long. That happens to be right here. So in determining where our next four long fires to see if it is a lower low or a higher low, we are going to use this point. And at the point of fire, it was a lower low. Then we go to the next four short and we go to the lowest point between this four short and this four short. And we see this is the lowest point. So this is the bottom of this four long. That way we see that between this four long and this four long, it is a lower low. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but if you look in here, we will discover that this price point down here at the bottom of this candle is a little higher than this price point at the bottom of this candle. There's your four short. There's your four long. We do not have another four short yet. So all we do is follow the lowest point since it's four long. And this is it. And this is a lower low on the four. Now, let's take a look at why it's important on a long-term chart versus a short-term chart to watch for lower highs or higher lows on a long-term chart, but on a short-term chart, you want both in order to enter a conservative trade. Let's look at the threes. So there's our three short. Let's now move our green line from this three long to this three long. There's the three short. there's the highest point after this 3 short. This is where we determine if we have a lower high or a higher high. There is a 3 short right there. There's a 3 long. There's a 3 long, and there's a 3 short. Now, watch. I'm going to move this. See this point right there? Yeah, that is actually the point that we're going to use for this 3 short. So this 3 short to this 3 short, this is a lower high. This 3 short to this 3 short, watch. We're going to move these lines. This is the point, the highest point on this 3 short. Now, look at this 3 long, and let's move over and go to this 3 long. There's the 3 short. Where's the highest point? If we use our crosshairs, we can see that there's a line right there. And there they just crossed over and peaked over the top of the price. So this is actually our highest point right there. So from this 3 short to this 3 short, this is our point. Right there, our highest point. So from this 3 to this 3 is a lower high. From this 3 to this 3 is a lower high. From this 3 to this 3, right? There's the 3 long, there's the 3 long, there's the highest point, is a lower high. From this 3 to this 3 is a higher high, right? From this 3 to this 3 short is a higher high. Now, if you look down on the bottom, you'll see why we don't want to have to worry about waiting for higher highs in order to take long trades. There's a 3 long right there. There's a 3 short right there. There's a 3 short right there. 3 long, that's the lowest point. From the lowest point of this 3 long to the lowest point of this 3 long, which is way down here, is a lower low. From the lowest point of this 3 long to the lowest point of this 3 long is a higher low. There you can enter a conservative trade. Then we go up to another higher low, right? Then we go down to a lower low. There's the 3 long. There's the 3 short. There's the lowest point. Back over here again, there's the 3 long. When it fires, that is the lowest point, and you could take a trade. There's a takeout. Then this now becomes the lowest point for the higher low of this 3 long. So I hope that explains lower lows, lower highs, and higher lows and higher highs. We wait as a conservative trader for a higher high or a lower high, higher high to go long, lower high to go short, and 3 hedge fund swings in order. On a smaller time frame chart, it's better to wait for higher highs and higher lows both to let you know that the market is truly moving in that direction. But as you can see, if you waited for higher highs and higher lows, you might be waiting a long time on a large time frame market before you're able to enter a trade. Okay, but that's it. And let me show you one. There it is right here. Now let me show you one that's very easy for you to see. We have 5, 4, 3 short. Watch. Here you can see from the 3 short to this 3 short, there's the highest point right there. And let me make these the right color. Let me make them white so they're just like the other ones. But now you see underneath, there's a 3 long, there's a 3 long, there's the lowest point. So you can see on this particular chart right here, on the 3 longs, we have a lower low and we have a lower high. That is a conservative trade, a really conservative trade. The reason why it's a really conservative trade is because we also have a lower high on the 4 and a lower low on the 4. See that? Lower high on the 3, lower low on the 3. It does it again. Lower low on the 3, lower high on the 3, another entry. Very conservative, push, 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 push. Okay? Excellent. Thanks so much. Any more training? You'll see a lot more short video trainings, and we'll see you on the inside.